I want to share with you how very much I got into this overhead bin travel suitcase with my tripped packing cube luggage. This product was provided for me for my honest review, and I'm going to show you exactly what I can do with it. They have this set for overnight bags, and they have a bigger set for larger suitcases. I will show you everything I got in here. It has very large pieces. You also have the expansion zip. I like to stuff them with my things. I have some rolled up pants and some shirts in here that will take me for my couple day trip, and then I have them expanded. Now I like to zip it down even further, and I can squeeze them like vacuum squeeze, which helps me do that with this extra zipper. Also, I have included in here is a pair of tennis shoes. Big bulky tennis shoes fits right in this pack with the expansion zipper. Helps so much to make those tennis shoes actually fit in there, as you can see, and then I can zip them a little bit closed and squish them down even further. And here I have this long clunky piece is my favorite hair drying tool. Slips in there, and I can also slip toothpaste, chargers along in this long shape. And here is my overcoat. I need a big overcoat where I'm going. It's usually big and bulky, takes up almost the entire suitcase. Slipped in here, it's very tight, and I can squish out the air and make it super vacuum sealed like tight. Now this here, the reason I'm going is to attend a special event. This is my special event dress. Keep it nice and wrinkle free. There's a lot of room in here, so I can also slip in some big bulky jeans and a bulky sweater. I could fit more in there, but I don't need to because I have a lot of these other pieces, so I am well packed. Also, in addition to that, I have this great bag for my laundry or whatever else I have. Maybe I'll find some bargains over there. It also clamps, and I can fit it right on top to help everything fit in place. These tripped luggage cubes are terrific, and I find they help me pack so much. I even have room for my laptop, and all included in this one set of overnight bin packing cubes. I highly recommend this set. It was provided for me, and I can tell you, look how easy it has made my packing.